Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel Dance with Aparnika. So till now we have learned Tattadu, Nattadu, Pakkamadu and single hand gestures, double hand gestures, Shirobhed, Griva Bhed and Drishti Bhed. And today we will learn fourth set of Adavus that is called kuddita Metta Adavu. This Adavu is totally different from the all previous Adavus. There are 5 types of variation in this Adavu, and in this step, leg movements are the same, but hands movements are different. So let's move on to kuddita Metta Adavu, step number 1. In the leg movements, we will sit in Aramandi position and we have to take jump on toe, but we don't take high jump like this. 1. So the important thing you have to keep in mind in this step, when you will take jump, so you don't have to go upwards like this. This is the wrong pattern. So what is the right pattern? When you will take jump, your knees should open towards the side. See. So this is what the posture will look like while jumping. So this is wrong and this is correct. 1. In number 1, you have to take jump on your toe. In number 2, you have to put your heels downwards. 2. While teaching children, I noticed that in the beginning, children always jump on number 2 also. So keep in mind, you have to take jump to only number 1 and put your heels downwards directly in number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the bowl, Tai Hat Tai Hi. Tai Hat Tai Hi. Tai Hat Tai Hi. In the hand movements, we use Katka Mukha and Ala Padma Hast in both the hands. Firstly, do with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So as we know, in the leg movements, we do in continuation. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in the hands, where number 1 is counted, number 2 will also be counted in the same place. Where number 3 is counted, number 4 will also be counted in the same place. And the same method will apply in number 5 to 6 and 7 to 8 also. So why I am explaining this all the things? Because when you will do this step with the hands and legs together, you have to be focused. Because when you will do number 1, so your hands and leg both will work together. But when you will go on the number 2, so your hands will freeze and legs will continue moving. And the same method will apply on number 3 to 4, number 5 to 6 and the last number 7 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tai Hat Tai Hi. 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 So this is kuddita Metta Adavu step number 1. We will learn step number 2 in our next video. Goodbye and take care. Thank you for watching.